Good evening, beautiful traders. Merry Christmas in advance. Shout out to everybody. I am so happy that I came all the way from the starting of this year to the ending of this year with all my subscribers. Everybody is healthy and strong. Thank you. This is not just, you guys are not just subscribers. You guys are my family. You guys are part of the family. So I really appreciate the fact that everybody is happy and everybody is successfully making profit, because the kind of results I am seeing these days from my subscribers are enticing. These people are making massive profits from the market every single day on boom and crash. So I'm so happy that everybody is happy, everybody is making profits from the market, guys. It's a good thing. So guys, the purpose of making this video is because I noticed that a lot of people do not know how to install my indicators without my instructions. So I had to make a video that you can just go to YouTube, watch the video from A to Z, and you know how to install this indicator perfectly, even without my direction. So this video is an installation video to all my indicators and robots. That is, if you have gotten my indicator and you're finding it difficult to install it, or you've gotten any other indicator that looks like my indicator, maybe not from me, but this video is gonna guide you step by step on how to install it perfectly. I'm gonna take you through the process step by step. I'm not gonna, just in case you're just coming around this channel for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified each and every time I post something very powerful like this. You understand? So do not skip this video. Do not skip this video for any reason. You understand? Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm about to start, guys. So just in case you've been losing money, this is the right channel for you to check. And if you want to message me, my WhatsApp number is on the screen, and my Telegram handle is by the description of this video or any of my video. You can just kindly go to my videos and you see the description. The Telegram handle is there. My WhatsApp number is also there. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna receive the files first. Make sure you have the files. I have sent you the files straight to your Telegram. Now you have to download the files from your Telegram. You understand? Make sure you download the files. Then you come here, you click files. After you open your MT5, after downloading the files from your Telegram, make sure the files has already been downloaded into your device. You click files, you come down here, you click open data. You wait, it's gonna load for some second. Then you come here, you click MQL5. You click MQL5. It's gonna load. Then you come here, come down to indicators, you click indicators. That's, you've copied the files. Then you paste your, this is where you're gonna be pasting your files. You see, you paste your indicator. After copying it from there, you come here, you paste it. You see, you paste it here, you come here, you click paste. This is paste here. You click paste and it's gonna paste. Then you close your MT5, just cancel. Then you go back, you restart your MT5. Restart the MT5. Very important. Do not skip any part of this video. Make sure you follow my instructions from A to Z. So guys, I have just restarted my MT5, so I'm waiting for MT5 to open. Remember, we have already copied the indicator files. We have posted it. We have pasted it in the indicator in my PC. The indicator files, which is in my PC, which is the indicator files are already in the PC now. Everything is ready. So we are coming here. This is where you're gonna click insert. You click insert, you come to indicators, come down to custom indicators. Then this is all your files. Every indicator you have in your laptop is gonna display here. Now you pick the right one. I just clicked MACD. You come here, you can do the setup, okay, and everything is 100% displaying. So this is exactly how every of my indicators should be installed easily. You don't have to stress about anything. You understand? First of all, remember, you go to your Telegram, make sure you download the files to your system. You download the files into your system storage, your laptop or anything, your mobile phone storage. Now you open your MT5. You understand? You make sure you copy the files from Telegram, come to your MT5 and paste it. If you're using a laptop, you paste it in your files. There should be like indicator files where you store indicators in your laptop. That is where you're gonna paste it. Then you come to your, after pasting it there, you refresh your MT5. Very important. Restart your MT5. Go to insert. Click indicators. Click custom indicators and install your indicator perfectly. Message me now if you have any question.